Closed captioning is sponsored in part by. So, these are Sandra's homemade yummy scrumptious bars.
I just wanted you to eat more fiber.
Chewy, oaty gooiness. Fraudulence.
I meant deep, babe.
There certainly are. Fiber One.
Organic artichokes, organic lettuce, organic kale.
Does your cauliflower have a big carbon footprint?
Not at all.
That's great.
Oh, yeah!
That's uncalled for.
Turn my light on.
Mr. Gallagher?
Incoming! Hey, Tiger. Hey, Tiger. Yeah.